Nah, this can't be real.
What can't be real?
Look at this giraffe. Why is its neck so long?
To reach food.
No, I mean, how did it get that long? That's not normal.
No, a short neck giraffe isn't normal.
There's actually a scientific explanation for that.
Of course there is.
Uh-oh.
Why would he have a bucket of fake leaves? Is something weird about to happen? Mr. Boynton is so random.
Good morning, little scientists.
Why do you have leaves?
Better question, are you ready to learn why giraffes have long necks?
Absolutely. We're doing it outside.
Yes, we are. You all are going to become giraffes today.
Best day of the year.
This is going to be so fun.
Why are your students standing around trees?
Science.
That's his answer for everything.
We're becoming giraffes.
I shouldn't have even asked.
Today's question, why do giraffes have long necks?
Because somebody stretched them?
Nah, they didn't stretch them.
Evolution.
Exactly, Trey. Lucero, Nicole, and Trey, you are short-necked giraffes and can only use your teeth to get the leaves off the tree. Emma and Grace are long-necked giraffes and use their hands to get the leaves. Collect as much food as possible.
Sounds ridiculous.
It's not ridiculous, it's the answer. Ready, go long neck. Lucero, what are you doing?
I'm adapting.
Natural selection selected against that idea.
Time. Looks like the long-necked giraffes collected way more food.
That's not fair. They gotta use their hands.
I was thinking the same thing.
Nature isn't always fair. Some animals have traits that give them an advantage.
Like a longer neck?
Exactly. Grace and Emma's ability to reach with their hands was like having a long neck. Animals with helpful traits survive more often. Over many generations, those traits became more common.
So, evolution is a gradual change of living things over time?
That's it. It's caused by organisms having traits that help to survive and reproduce. This is called natural selection.
Why haven't teachers evolved into not giving homework?
Because it's fun.
This challenge was rigged.
Tell that to the short-necked giraffes that couldn't eat millions of years ago.
Couldn't eat?
Now I get it. Short-necked giraffes starved.
Boynton's classroom.